Ebiem ensa enfamra Badwam dwumadi so ewo Adom TV yedi enkomo de afa efom agudie tuo ewo yemai emu ho ebreb kakra bes ne twem ekonie sankomodi ya na akoso sa ekoso with the purpose se obeti ase de enti o se efom agudie tuo ekoso yemai mu de enti o se ye ade apotoka se me fa responsible mining sankomodi ekoso amoahunu se efom agudie tuo ewo Ghana ne sika ewo munye sika ketua kwa be ne betimi afa so abo ma sa sika dodo na aka yemam se na be oman entokoso enko ahoyehiem enaso yesterday ensaka the Chief Executive Officer at the Minerals Commission Ora Martin Ayisi ehwanom na otwetwem yedi nkomo edefa procurement on ebeto so na yado esuko kese enso ewom akra bokode
I'm sorry
yemi Adom ohye now church me yedi nkomo de afa procurement list ma publish the revised edition ne the entire fire from na wona bi omanya kwan tie bi yenti ase butai pay attention tia ma publish list ya me hunu enema also mo mining site no eto e de free Ghana
sensia me da ase we de titia ye try on you say no ma bi nkoyi mines na nye de se nye Ghana for de afi na ba ko mienu bi Ghana for esom but me gidi say be in the next 3 4 5 years no ye be hu Ghana for say omo oni mines. Okay. You show me reporter, you won't say no. Sika omo de to niema. Protocol almost goods and services. Niema omo use every day. To say for omo to go for DM lubricants. Sika omo di ma contractors omo ye blasting mo sika omo di ma omo nya aduane mo omo di tua security. A year 3-4 times a turn on the my government.
Okay.
You say no. And you be as a mines in a year and so on. Nema wins you to me yana. Until research you say no. Nema no be a bit me or Ghana. Until you decided say no. I that said Ghana for bay and now ube fear man be yewa. And I say ube in particular this all the Ghana.
Okay.
Until you draw a list and you say no, almost thoughts on your way. Until you started years ago with 10, you call 18, nearby 29, last year 41, and this year 1st January 50.
Okay.
Until near my 50 no all listen also, and near my means in the sense 1, near my be or when you Ghana and you to me yet.
Okay.
Opo bi obe nua aduane e ma mines for na this all the Ghana ni ope security this all the Ghana ni ope obi obe ye contract mining service this all the Ghana ni.
Okay.
List no bi won so a ye biem kakra bi ye fan say contract underground obuasi say this all kra be 1.5 kilometers ye need that technology until you the Ghana for kra omo be chiro omo you say okay with the 30-40% there for Ghana for.
Okay.
Until you say maybe in the next 4, 5, 6 years, we Ghana for betting 100%. And now your near be soon or ye are too so keke. Open say, oh yeah, this ube set up for example, almost fair be as saying.
Okay.
When say almost ye prospecting now, almost far rocks now. Yeah, friend sample.
Yeah.
Almost the collab. Years ago, almost the quadruple, Canada and Australia and South Africa. They see your companies will be Ghana, SGS. Intertech, it be Otakwa, it be Kumasi, or be bringing Ghana for company, but all my best establish you
Ghana.
Instead of Udi samples and because South Africa and Canada and Australia, no Fako SGS lab never Fako Intertech. Wow, BBC near because on base, employ Ghana for experts who handle my Juma monomatua tax. It is animal inform me and say no. You sure here scanning outside at the expense of our environment.
Yeah.
And this is what informed this list. Every year be unfortunately and he has every year be a parliament.
Okay.
I'm now way by 2020 December.
Yeah.
And here my 1 year. But see person be go be jumanti obi ye den hihye no basa na Wow, yeah, foreign company, I work contract that and yam pamo and many may ya there be. In Tiamfan say ABA DCSA, yeah, the tailing storage facility, they are two listeners.
Okay.
Omongo dam a cassia almost see. Tomu yam good, no me be in so ni if waste now. And somebody could go down be.
Yeah.
Now, I bet that for some number of years and some of my decommission. Ni board ding. The hour is still more crown, they do $40 million.
Wow.
And about could be I do up in music almost about 72 million. Yes. This year and the two listeners.
Okay.
And see, these are some of the issues.
The list now for beginner 41. This year about 50.
Yeah, the 9 count.
Are they?
Oh, 1. Yeah, the medical services count.
Okay.
When him there omo here.
Heavy.
Omo the contract comma South African company. Now South African company aba Ghana have registered with Minerals Commission to have 10,000 registration fee dollars. No, wafa Ghanaian doctors, Ghanaian nurses, almost allied health service, lab tech, no, they are called because mine be our hospital and our clinic.
Sure.
Well, staff. Because you see, who call Oxford and I have a crop, this over here exams, nubi.
Yeah.
International call fat doctor from outside. Into Bissau 1957, independence celebration. I in 66 years. Now South Africa ni company abeji contract to provide medical services at the mine site. Now high Ghanaian doctors. Now musika ebia in cedis. No ko $. Kesiye otuomu we are not any profit ko. Na etiti asset CD for le. Nti this year me every year be a list no nti list no be September October na many mining companies no trust me ka say ya new list mumbra na nchi.
Okay.
You know mu kan October. Nkan say medical munjai 1st January no more medical services. Nti company bi wasa Golden Star ekese pa underground.
Okay.
Omo contract almost omo go for South Africa for no be e December Ghana ni afa omo de ama Ghana ni Ghanaian doctors omo ti company omo fa nti na ko Golden Star wasa Ghanaian company owned by Ghanaian doctors and providing medical service at the mine site. Misensia ya yebi, so that means that omo kra de emra achi omo. Yeah, October ni ebo odero. Into me momo ni say hey, mo 1st January. December ya na contract ni we no mo de ma Ghana ni. Into nyese ye the medical services to so anka South African company omo come renew ama.
No be fa Ghana.
We nya Ghana for nim dia money man say galamse. Na nya certificate on ni nkofo mining company ejuma o. E na oni medical. Yemfa ne say like Minerals Commission say me wo yire me wama 4 me medical we cover omo over 400 workers inti say wasa ho no there are more than 500 workers inti obia ne ne yire ana okun no ebia oba na adwuma ho inti the husband and now the his spouse inti wo adwuma ho wo ma be 3 a oni oyi ni uma they are covered. So and yes just the workers at the mine, the workers and their family and their spouses at the mine, medical services 60 way obuasi 1897 na we yetiti ha nti adwuma we de enye se obi keke o se uti ase wo nimdie nti medical service we pa de sonko mame Newmont
okay
omudie bewu yeah 2023 omudie bewu July this year.
Okay.
Oh my mom up to August. Nti se na omuso sa South African company minim dia South African for aya omo South African company we are na ejuma o medical service omo achi momo ahafu new modudi mienu boma almost be 4,000 ni ye ni enkwara ni nyina, so you are talking about what almost 8 to 10,000 workers now all the contract amount and yes all the doctors we outside okay so nema bi o this all fly ni panu emergency obi plan say the farmer Ghana ni na computers are use afidi a di ye wenya ade computer ye wo Ghana you can also bring the Ghanaian can also bring experts
sure
ade magda ni munya say o mo need small planes get me di flying for obi pra ye po obi obetumi say kwe mu assembly na mo kanu nti omo die bewu say emrano ba 7th January 1st this year 1st January I mean to me can so see medical facilities say call Ghana for nti mun come baby ni dey too modern
sure
omo contract be July see your month ben March dey say we will be to April May June July 4 months almost start to cry advert
okay
oh yes omo ya nti Anibia getting towards the end of the year, no Ghana need to take you.
Why you more Minerals Commission for about 20 years? I did wait for him.
Oh, na say now Ejuma we interview we near na osuya. Interview we say o katwi kama say no. And Nancy na o start here.
I did wait for him.
Oh, yeah. Okay, me international exposure so me a mining lawyer.
Yeah.
Me nim die no me training wo UK me start training wo Canada ba me sha share wa.
Okay.
Nti say ni esua che conference ye nya exposure. Nti workers no ye train no mu abrochi nya de omko. Na o de tie bibi.
Okay.
Newmont. It is the biggest producer of gold in the world. We are saying for Ninya.
Okay.
The whole world. This is the biggest producer of gold. American company. Almost mine wo achim. Almost CB wo half surface and underground. In the next 2.5 years, almost see new one. Ebe cost $1 billion.
Newmont.
Yes, half north, 30 kilometers into many way about half region. Into almost in about 2.5 years, you have about 3 big mines. American company. Now we are saying in technologies Americans. Na company say ni we dey share video mo wo one of these is me do work underground ho minim say we sro na we na we are inspector of minerals commission whether we are electrical mechanical mine engineer na you are metallurgy na oni na mo keke na den na o call plant or na o inspection o pia na almost say na we oba hakura want to me and sporting accident now on first one is and then you are letting 30 million Ghanaians down because that is it.
Sure.
In so baby in university papa obia for mine yes you dey enko for ko. Yes. In ko for because na dey na new okay new Martinier foundation but say bibia your technology. Automation, robotics ni sani maninya so mo ko abroad nti dey enko for Australia.
Okay.
Dey enko for America dey enko for South Africa mo ko suya. Next week, say you're in Portugal, come to be explosives. Yes. So you're confident not to me yet. Me, Monsieur mining law UK, Monsieur South Africa, what do you call it? Canada. Into mining companies, lawyers, the Omo they don't have it easy because Omunim Obi. Into the minister they were tears here. Okay. Into say we are seeing say the inspectors go outside there. You be more training because. For South Africa, say the whole world, almost the deepest mine, and cover 2, 3, 4 kilometers underground. Wow. And technology. Was here 1.5 kilometers deep. Wasa, almost extend almost spending $1 billion to go deeper. Okay. South African mines are the deepest in the world. Into a car and yet technology kitwa. Almost 2 companies were Ghana and Google Ashanti need goldfields. These are big multinationals. Okay. Shomonim dia more underground mining. Obuasi omo dia. Na also ni na market. Now from inspector of minerals company. Yes, me ma yes ya bien. Sure. You don't go South Africa, you don't go Australia, you don't go Canada. Okay. For training, short course, long everything. Omo ko no maba enti no dey in fact training there go. Okay.
Eti yenim say there were 2 major forms of mining. Anye small scale mining and large scale mining. Sa we are abano. Which group partner a target? Is it small scale
or large scale? Because small scale they say can afford it. Okay. And Chinese one more room here Ghana say. I can afford it. Small scale here, I can afford it. A third of Ghana's gold. And yes, more. Newmont. So we on the third mine now. On baby 1.4 million ounces. Still I endure small scale.
Yeah.
Until we dey target large scale.
Okay.
Because small scale I can afford it. Time na ehuni nya no galamsey. And chiwa over ko dem.
Yeah.
And it is not small scale dey yen aban na ebo omo.
Okay.
Aban na ema machine.
Okay.
Minerals Commission the market area no na minister be launch.
Okay.
Ni asama gold catcher.
Okay.
We share front page Monday cry president said bring more gold catcher so to stop the use of mercury. But large scale there no. So this law is for large scale.
Okay. But you share if you say small scale the medical services other name almost better.
See me no be cry say me the tujwa. Okay. Answer na enu cry your friend game changer. Obetimi acheche omu ochi. Yes, it be a game changer. Yes, and now strong.
Okay.
We share 9 apart from medical services. Yeah, the financial and insurance account. And you see this year, mining company be a insurance. So this 60% man Ghana local insurance company.
Oh, okay.
Now, for mining companies all Ghana, who they call Newmont at least we show television. I have machine be or so insured. Like Minerals Commission, your cars now is insured, your buildings, everything is insured.
Yeah.
Your Ghana no. Every equipment, plant, machinery, including workers now mining company, or your group insurance.
Okay.
Inti enyesika kitwa. Inti enshisha abano last 20%, ya pay ya pump to 60. Inti so almost spending even $50 million on insurance every year. Now this new month I have for enough. Cardinal Zuma almost spending on insurance, even construction you come and insure workers.
Yeah.
You see, for 60%, man Ghanaian companies are shareholders in directors say Ghana for more. Any insurance, any reinsurance. The muye do kesia no pa no ye sikana nkasa mo ton gold na omunya no. Okay. And no ye revenue from the sale of minerals.
Okay.
Last year gold almost 6 billion. Now in Shisha, they about this year from January, I said 60% of your revenue, if you return the money to Ghana, Fafa local banks. Hey. Oh, almost pay stamp big ni Eco Bank ni Absa Dodo. Me can't say a pamomo. Okay. Me can't say a pamo Eco Bank. Yem pamo stamp big and Absa. Debbie. Okay. Na me yeah. Debbie. No so mo other businesses. Yeah. But Kwesi Pra say Masa say OG2 say stand big Absa Eco Bank for more normal fair no Barclays Absa need Standard Chartered foreign banks omo de musika beko omo ko omo de dollars na eko Ghana Commercial Bank there meaning say bi wo mampon bi wo there Car Bank Prudential. All these are Ghanaian banks. So, Osika now the money. So, in fact, let me see 60%. It will be fat and the ultimate confer Eco Bank but 60%. In the Yaman said this year, say Newmont top gold now. Omunya be 600 million. Now omudi be 500 million back because I almost your loans and all those things. So all the onya be 500 million. So the 60% of that money, Fafa
local bank. But for example,
so you know what that means for the local bank? Yes. Ebegu.
But for example, the insurance, what check or more financial capability say?
Opinion me ma wanu see. Ghana ha ye omra. It is a very good question you ask. Okay. Yeah, true. Me regulator for banking, Bank of Ghana. Yeah. Inti me true krata di command Bank of Ghana say. Bidin shisha ba say. Mining companies, financial service, ton gold in money, at least 60%. Okay. Some of these can fund local banks. Okay. More money list of local banks in good standing.
Okay.
Yes. According to me, my license for bank, the Bank of Ghana, Governor Kasana Traba, my Minerals Commission. Okay. My 9 banks.
Oh, okay. Local banks.
Local banks. That is banks owned by Ghanaians.
Okay.
Yeah, the list now come mining companies, you know. Into end of the year, come Gina, the report about me check it. Good, I know 200 million. Yeah, at least, you know, we know. Yeah, name good, I call outside. It's all file. Near check it, 200 million. Or the 150 million back. Me expect 60% of that. But mommy listen, me and you na make just a commercial bank and car bank and prudential. Mama list.
Okay.
Into your time so okay, me 60% there be $40 million. Me the big called prudential, me the big called car bank, me the called commercial bank. Me sandy be called CPG.
Okay.
Or agriculture development bank.
Yeah.
Until listen in the check it. Because we know the sales of goods. I know. The same thing insurance, your trauma regulator, National Insurance Commission, or the list.
Okay.
Yeah, the mining company. Is it the Miami Juna? Me tiho. To say lizard beer or tell also.
Yeah.
Oh, December bedu is here. January, no less than 30 days, or by 30 days time at the end of the year. I saw more filing report. So I'm going to come after all of them. Go fields. Sikain or the buy.
Okay.
Say. Now the man 60% mami. That is the only thing we can do. You're not owing the bank.
Yeah.
You don't owe the banks. Sekana omudi Tony Manso won't be in control. You cannot also benefit from that. Now they be a Eco Bank, APSA, who they for 40% more. 60% for Ghanaian banks. Dear. So, Mr. Nsia, do you now understand why I'm saying that the heartbeat of this economy, the DNA, to say who say you correct DNA tester, they say to me who say wakora no, who now ye father. The same thing. The DNA of Ghana is mining. Nobody can deny it. Sector Ben added $2 billion about within 2 years. Mambubo now the other ones doing expansion.
Just near Kenya about large scale money.
Where a new new investment.
Oh, okay.
2 billion where a new investment. A half of 1 billion, Cardinal 500. Azuma, ni lithium. That's almost about $2 billion. Menka omo redevelopment to Bibiani, omo raising $160 million locally in cities. Omo use about 200 million to bring life back. Obuasi, they spend billions. After omo expansion, Wasa.
Yeah.
Last year come so we mines that are almost expanding and say no new ones beba then you did 2 means I did 2 weeks ago 2 billion here cabo ma be 3-4 billion within the last 2-3 years sector ben this car we about mining make a small scale and small scale mining last year nya be 1 billion small scale mining. Good if now say government say better. Na say ma good catcher to my government.
Sure.
And bongo for muti ya no mo ye galam say ne ya mo license. Omo 2 ya mo good catcher mienu. They are going to sell the gold to government. Gold catcher, no more mercury. This is what president is saying. Responsible mining. Inti any education that people don't have. That is why in cooperative me sorry. No almost share television no mo say Prani and Cobra to say million no more for saying mining. Before the we have to fix that and we are doing our best. But don't say we should ban mining. No way. I say ye into my pressure near ye so time no clear.
You want pressure na bon.
Oh there be other me or blood pressure. Next my many 53 years me down in that. But Yasuye Dodo now 12 midnight. What kind of people do we have in this country? When you're day 12 midnight to 4 a.m. You are a very wicked person. Okay? Mr. Nsia, I was born and bred in Accra, New Town.
Okay.
29th April 1970, Accra, New Town. Intimating Cran Kasapa.
Yeah.
Yenum pipe in so pipe born water. Na me da ben me start say me num bottle water. Me call Canada, say me call sunya there 2007 I started say num bottle water. E okra mo pipe you okay. ene osi minum pipe bomb water minum Debbie. You understand? So we got to be angry, we ought to be outraged. Now I call it evil. So people wake up. Okay, why don't you do it? Even now people do it in the full glare of the way. That is the issue. Why will you go to prayer and cobra and then now you're so?
Yeah.
It is some time ago, it is some MP who said that galamsey say bow to and death penalty. People think that that is outrageous. But look at the situation we are faced with. A day
what is the real effect on my Ghana economy?
Real effect?
Yes.
Sika beba. Ejuma beba. We will protect our city. Now, yes, that is it. We have about $3-4 billion being returned by the mining companies every year. And one protected city, no. Wow. The other day, make who's stopping mining now? Companies be brave.
Yeah.
For example, ceramics factory Biwo in Chamban, Twyford, gas pipeline no Ninam, the heart of the company. And then we use 5 minerals: limestone, tack, clay, kaolins, feldspar.
Okay.
Omo produce tiles, Twyford tiles. Omo turn 60% of omo products of Ghana. The Akano, West Africa, Omukwa to Peru. If you say you are banning mining, so that means that these 5 minerals, these are more important. Now, infinite minerals, man, now be ceramics. Okay? So, yes, that is it. Limestone. So that is a benefit. And they are producing the tiles and selling, almost spending more than 100 million to build that factory. So we should be doing more of this, linking mining to manufacturing and the rest of the country.
But Mr. when I'm finding out quite.
For example, lithium now,
yeah.
First by womb baby.
Okay.
Quality. Okay. Good for ceramics.
We're not gonna for a person make
yes. Even almost quartz called glass.
You want me or your memo. I dear Ghana for the enforcement.
Oh, enforcement. I can only speak for Minerals Commission. Now, some I enforce the law. Last year, who fines and me fine in mining company, you'll be surprised. $2 million, $1 million, 500,000 for breaking the announcements. Your musu baby crab, your pepper is here. It's mining, they will enforce the law. Now, galamsey 2 a.m. I don't know time, no. And you cry, but there are a lot of Ghanaians who are also doing very well. A buying so be boa, upe there, upe we are there.
Are we getting assurance so far as Martin Ayisi because you CEO of
me nipa be ye bi wa be nyina and I will say you nyame pegu talk to die today. They will get somebody who will replace you even can speak to you better than you. My grandfather was a Croatian of Rara, so nyani baby because today I'm there.
Yeah.
So anyone say you build the systems.
Okay.
The little knowledge I have to impart it. I think so I have to take a lot of the staff outside for training.
Okay.
No more.
Okay.
Until your core new months, my bet me a challenge my manager now.
Because of them,
yes. Even though now the mines are run by Ghanaians.
Yeah.
So I'm my manager no, or in Australia or Canada or all over Africa because Ghana your skills pa. So when you come there, you start talking to them, say Akwawe, except me share me unko
yeah.
So they know now the mining company almost respect here pa. Yes. Now my chief inspector of mines, he spent 12 years in Obuasi.
Okay.
Surface 4, underground 8. The deputy 12 years. Into a ball rama wow, want to mean between funny.
Yeah.
Aden, wa who be that? We be about spending 8 years underground. And then I will be catching.
But I said, Yamin show.
Okay.
We did have a since here. Opening Martin Ayisi, and I want to say an introduction combo. And Badwam Mpensenpensemu on Adom TV. You ever said yes, Accra.